Have you ever cruised out of Port Canaveral and decided where you want to stay the day before or 2 days before? I have the perfect place for you. The Radisson Resort at the port in Port Canaveral. It is 15 minutes away from the cruise port. This place is nice. Nice big pool area, waterfall, grotto type thing going on. There's a pool bar. There's a DJ out there for the afternoon and evening time relaxation. The cool thing is the resort also provides transportation for a fee. So it costs $6.50 for transportation from the resort to the cruise port and $30 from the resort to the airport MCO. Way better than paying for a ride share. This resort is great. I like it. That's going to be my go-to spot. Check this video out. I'm going to show you a little bit of the resort and the room tour. The rooms, nice, perfect. Check it out. Here's my room. I am on the second floor. And across, look, I got a view of the pool area. And we're gonna step inside. Very nice. You have the nice shutter blinds there. And as soon as you walk in, you feel the air conditioning. There's a nice little table, chair area, bed, nice size bed. I like the lighting behind the headrest area. Desktop area with electrical outlets and USB ports so you can plug in your electronics. I'm digging the decor. I like it. A bench area you can pull out and sit down. Nice size TV. Keep going. And you have a little coffee maker, tea maker, ice bucket, little mini fridge, storage area, extra blankets, your ironing board. And then over here on both sides of the bed you have outlets, USB ports, so you can plug in your CPAP machines, cell phones, and all the other stuff. There's the controller. It's set at 71. I like the sliding door. We'll go. And so we'll go into the sliding door. And you have the restroom. I'm digging the vibe. I am digging the vibe and decor. Look at this shower. Yes, the shower is huge. It is huge. Nice ADA handles there, over there. This thing is huge. So yeah, you're 6'5", 6'6" on up, you're good. This is nice. And then over here on this wall right here, you got a full-length mirror. Of course, you have your towels. And you have an assortment of stuff here. You got shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, shower cap. You got the mirror right here for your cosmetics. Again, I'm digging this beach vibe. So I give this room a 5 out of 5. This is a definite. Hold on. Hold that thought. Let me get on the bed first. Hold on. Yes. Yes, I give it a 5 out of 5 for the room, the decor. It smells fresh, smells clean. Everything looks clean. I like it. I give it a 5 out of 5.